What's going on, guys? I am out here at Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're going to take a look at this really cool Jayco Eagle Series fifth wheel. This is a very, very lightweight fifth wheel, and it's really perfect for a 3/4 ton truck with a little bit higher payload capacity. So even if you're going to be towing it with a gas engine 3/4 ton truck, this might be the right fit for you. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Let's take a quick look at the numbers on this unit. So, this specific model has a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,995 pounds. That is really a good weight for a 3/4 ton truck. You could go slightly heavier than this, but this is a comfortable weight. It has a 1,550 pound cargo capacity. It runs 225/75 15 E-Series tires, and these are Goodyear Endurance tires that come on here. Jayco essentially switched every trailer to using the Goodyear Endurance tire, which is really nice. 80 PSI for the tires. This is going to have, when fully loaded, about 2,000 pounds worth of pin weight on the back of a truck. So if you have a properly spec'd out 3/4 ton truck, this should work out just fine for it. I do like the fact that it comes with the upgraded MORryde rubber pin box. This is generally an option on higher end trailers, and for this fifth wheel to have it is pretty impressive. It does not have auto leveling, but it does have rear stabilizers in the back, and of course it has your front electric landing gear. Given the relatively small size of this fifth wheel, it has a pretty good size front storage area. It's about 2 feet tall, about 3 feet wide right here, expands out to about 4 feet, and then about 3 feet towards the other side. You can see the nice radiant barrier and aluminum framing. Plus it uses a nice textured diamond plated look here to help protect this area against the things that you're going to typically store or throw in here. You have your cable and a power outlet here, along with a motion detecting light. I do wish they used magnetic holds up here. They use this little plastic one. These tend to break over time, but a magnetic hold would be a little bit easier to use. You could always install it yourself, but they are slam latches. Your batteries would go in this area here, and you have room for 2 batteries, plus you have your vent hole here. On the other side, you'll have access to 2 propane tanks. This does not have a drop frame. It does utilize the aluminum fold-out steps. 15-inch wheels with the Goodyear Endurance tires. Plus it has the MORryde Cree 3000 suspension system. On this side for the main slide, it has a rack and pinion slide, which I really like. And in case you're interested, this is the 27.5 RLTS. You can see it has a nice large awning as well as frameless windows, which again, for a travel trailer this size, this light, and at this price point, you usually aren't going to get frameless windows, so that's really nice. Plus, Jayco has a 2-year warranty on it. You're going to have 2 slides on this side. You're going to have your opposing kitchen slide, Schwintek slide system, and up front you're going to have your wardrobe slide, which is also a Schwintek slide system. They're both relatively small slides, so the Schwintek system should work just fine for them. Coming around this side, you'll see you have this real wide area that houses both of your propane tanks, which is really nice. Very easy to get to, easy to service and refill whenever it's time. Then the other side of your storage, you have access to your low point drain here, another motion detecting light, and you have your power disconnect up here. Basically prevents any type of parasitic power draw whenever it's in storage or not being used. You have your docking station area here, your 50 amp power connection, the back of your furnace and water heater. Around back, you have your ladder to access the roof, all LED lighting. This one is equipped with a Furrion wireless backup camera, whereas most are just pre-wired. This one has it up there. And it has a nice light up top here as well to illuminate the back area. Plus it has a nice trailer receiver here. It's meant for an accessory rack, but it does have the hitch already in place, and all LED rear lighting. This rides on a relatively small 6-inch I-beam frame. It has a 2-inch section that's boxed directly underneath the suspension area, and that's really to give it the extra height it needs to be towed behind some of the taller pickup trucks. All right, let's step inside this 27.5 RLTS. One thing that stands out really quickly to me, and it's rare in an RV at this price point and this size, is the fact that they give you whisper quiet air conditioning systems. So that is something that's very nice about this Eagle lineup. Nice love seat here, 2 rockers, as well as a freestanding dinette, 2 chairs here, 2 other chairs under the bed. You have a nice TV, fireplace. This is a very well laid out living room because everywhere you sit, you're pretty much going to have visibility of the TV except for the seat here. Nice flooring. The colors in here are pretty nice as well. The kitchen area is actually pretty good for this size. You have a lot of countertop space over here and over here, as well as a nice area for your refrigerator and your stove oven combination. Lots of nice cabinetry. You have cabinets here, cabinet here, drawers for storage there, more cabinets over here, cabinets above the chairs there as well, and some nice lighting fixtures. You got to remember that part of this design is around making it light enough for trucks that may not have the capacity or capability to tow a tremendous amount. Coming into the bathroom area, you can see you have two entrances into it. Nice corner shower assembly. You can be upwards of about 6'3" to comfortably fit in this bathroom. Nice countertop space here near the vanity area, mirror medicine cabinet. Going inside here, you have this nice sliding door which can close and kind of seal off the bedroom from this area. This is your wardrobe slide, so this comes in. So you have cabinets here, you have more cabinetry here. A lot of storage, and it's also deep space as well, so you have room to put things deeper in. In the bedroom area, you have a nice shelf here with a window above it. That looks really nice, plus a drawer below it. Storage there, nightstands on each side of the queen size bed. Nice finished off headboard. Plus you have a second air conditioning unit in here. And this is where you would mount your TV. And again, that's your second entrance or exit into the bedroom. This is a nice floor plan, especially for being as lightweight as it is. Going back out, one thing that's really nice about these Jaycos is they do a good job of concealing the control panel. They make a nice little cabinet area here just to conceal all your controls here, and that's really nice. Plus, you get your touchscreen remote here, which is going to give you the ability to extend or retract your slides from the exterior. Overall, this is a really nice little fifth wheel. Absolutely what you might want to get if you have a 3/4 ton truck with a gas engine or you have a diesel. This would really be ideal for a truck with around 3,000 pounds total payload capacity, simply because, again, you're going to have about 2,000 to 2,500 pounds that's going to rest on the back of your truck. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of this Jayco Eagle HT. This is a really, really cool little fifth wheel with some really lightweight numbers. And for the most part, I think most people with a 3/4 ton truck should be able to tow this, as long, again, as your payload capacity is upwards of that 2,800 to 3,000 pound range. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you again very soon.